Have you ever wondered how many views does this YouTuber have on all of his videos? Have you wanted to see your stats? Did you really want to see stats of your videos? Any video, any other video from any other YouTuber? In this video, we'll learn to see all of the YouTuber stats and how to get this. So let's get started. So first we have to open YouTube. So now we'll open YouTube here and we will choose my channel, for example, and go from there and see my channel. So now I have this video, and which is my last video, and I want to see its stats. Instead of going to about, then go to subscribers, then I go to my channel, then I go to search for video views. So how to see this? By just clicking on the video. So first we are introducing TubeBuddy. So what is TubeBuddy? TubeBuddy is an extension, as we said, that we can get it from here, that will allow you to see any stats of any video that you open in YouTube, and will help you upload your thumbnails and will help you with all of the things that you need in order to be a good YouTuber. So we go here to the web store, and then we go to TubeBuddy. And this video, by the way, is not sponsored by TubeBuddy, it's just introducing it. So we search about it, TubeBuddy for YouTube, and I have it just right there. So now we'll open this video and just pause for a second. So, well, in the normal, you will have the up next and the suggested videos. But now, as we have TubeBuddy, we have these stats. So we first have the video, which is normal, and then this part is only for TubeBuddy. So we have 35 videos on this video, which is there, 5 comments, which is down there, 12 likes, which is there, 0 dislikes. 1 of 20 suggested videos are from this creator. This video tags appear 5 times in the title and description. This video has search trailer for its tags. So you see how many people are wanted to see your video, or wanted to see any related video about Google Classroom for this video. On social, you see how many views, how was this posted. So I posted the link from Twitter and on Facebook, and this got 3 likes and this got 1 mention. And you can go to Channelytics and you will see specific, and here you have the channel. Instead of going to the channel, then about, then seeing, you can see it from there. 788 views, 48 subscribers, and 38 views. Best practice: high resolution thumbnail, which I have. Shared on Twitter and Facebook, I have. Captions added, have. Comments hearted, have. And the screen headed. Info cards added. I didn't do that in any of my videos, or most of them. Comment pinned, also I don't have it, which is here. You have a comment pin. When you go to the comments, you have first this comment, and you cancel response right here, or add a comment suggestion. And you can also see from here channel tags, which we saw from there, but we are now opening it. So this buddy is the one that we saw here, but he has nothing to show because he has no channel, and he hasn't uploaded a video. But if we go there, if we go there, and here we'll see the tags, show search rankings, which will get us where did my video see. So how to put science order, for example, Google Classroom. Where does video rank on YouTube search results? For you, just for me only. See, we can copy all of these to clipboard and then copy on a new tag list. So we here see the tags and see the best practices, the videos, and these. So from here we can go there and have the TubeBuddy listed here, the channel web tools, my account, and support, quick links, and extension. So if you like TubeBuddy, you can use it for many things on YouTube. It's specialized for YouTube. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you did so, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss any video that I upload. Also, I want to thank you about my first nearly 800 views, and I want to continue to 1000 and 2000, and thank you about that. Thanks, and see you in the next video.